If you're watching this video right now, it's no coincidence. You are ready to change your life, and today, you are going to take the first step. This video is not just a collection of words, it's a powerful tool for transformation. What if I told you that in just 7 days, you could begin to feel different, more confident, more focused, and more aligned with the life you want to create? Sounds too good to be true? Well, the truth is, it's not. All you need to do is listen to this message every morning for the next 7 days. Trust in the process. Believe in the power of your own words, and watch as your life begins to shift. Affirmations are powerful. Why? Because they shape your thoughts, and your thoughts shape your reality. What you believe, you become. What you speak, you attract. So, let's begin. I want you to close your eyes, take a deep breath, and say these affirmations with me. Feel every word deeply. Speak them as if they are already true. I am worthy of all the good things that come into my life. I deserve to be happy, healthy, and successful. Every day I am becoming a better version of myself. I am constantly growing and evolving into my highest potential. I attract positive energy and abundance into my life. I am the creator of my own reality, and I choose to create greatness. My thoughts are powerful, and I use them to manifest my dreams. I trust myself, and I trust the path that I am on. I am confident, I am capable, and I am in control of my life. I radiate love, kindness, and positivity. I am grateful for all the blessings I have in my life. I release all fear, doubt, and negativity, and I welcome peace and confidence. I believe in my abilities to achieve everything I set my mind to. I am worthy of success, wealth, and all the good things life has to offer. I am aligned with my true purpose, and I am taking steps toward my dreams every day. I trust the timing of my life, and I am open to new opportunities. My mind is clear, focused, and positive. I forgive myself and let go of past mistakes. I am free to move forward. I am deserving of love, success, and happiness just as I am. I am enough. I am whole. I am complete. I am strong, resilient, and capable of overcoming any challenge. My actions are guided by purpose, and every day I make choices that align with my goals. I attract only positive, supportive, and loving people into my life. I trust that everything in my life is unfolding perfectly. I am fearless in the face of change and embrace every new opportunity. I have unlimited potential, and I am creating a limitless future. I believe in the power of my dreams, and I take action every day to make them a reality. I am in charge of how I feel, and today I choose happiness. My life is full of abundance and prosperity in all forms. I am worthy of living my best life, and I am living it now. I let go of what I cannot control and trust that everything is working out for my highest good. I am constantly attracting opportunities that align with my values and goals. I believe that I am deserving of love and respect, and I give that love freely to myself and others. My health and vitality are constantly improving with every choice I make. I radiate positivity, and it reflects back to me in all areas of my life. I trust the journey, even when I do not understand it. I am grateful for each new day and the opportunities it brings. I release all limiting beliefs and embrace a life full of possibilities. I choose to see every setback as a setup for a greater comeback. I am deserving of all the wealth and success I am attracting into my life. I trust my inner wisdom and always make decisions that serve my highest good. I am in complete control of my destiny, and I am creating my future right now. My mind is filled with healthy, positive, loving thoughts. I trust that everything I desire is already on its way to me. I am constantly learning, growing, and improving every day. I forgive myself for past mistakes and let go of the past. I am free to move forward. I am proud of who I am becoming and excited for who I will be. I trust that every experience, no matter how big or small, is preparing me for something greater. I choose to rise above negative feelings and let go of the past. I am worthy of all the success, love, and happiness that the universe has to offer. Take a deep breath. Feel the energy shifting inside you. Now, I want you to know something important. These affirmations are more than just words. They are declarations. They are your personal truth. Every time you speak them, you reinforce the belief that you are worthy, capable, and unstoppable. For the next 7 days, I encourage you to repeat these affirmations every morning. Say them with belief. Say them with intention. Watch as your confidence grows, your mindset shifts, and your life begins to transform.